channel. This is a super quick video. I don't know if any of you have made pesto at home, but this is how I make mine. This is my absolutely banging fresh basil pesto. You're gonna absolutely love this. Really quick and simple, plus it can be used in so many of my dishes. Pizzas, pastas, toasties, you name it. This pesto is really, really good. One of the things I really love to make is a homemade fresh basil pesto. You really can't beat it. It has so much flavour. So I'm using just a standard blender you'd make like a protein shake or a smoothie in, purely because I'm not making a huge amount. I've got this basil that is left over. Unfortunately, I've kind of done recipes this week and I haven't ended up using it. So if I can make that into a pesto, there's no waste and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So grab all of your basil and get that inside your blender. Obviously, if you've got a food processor, whatever you're using is fine. I've got some parmesan here, which I've weighed out. In the description below, I will leave all the quantities for you. I'm going to grab a lemon and cut that. Just gonna give that a squeeze. Again, my lemons need using. So it's a great recipe just to use up things that you might have hanging around. Okay, so some lemon juice there. Let's pour that in. I've got some pine nuts. Of course, you could toast these, but if you can't be bothered like me, then just put them in as they are. And now to that, we need to add some olive oil. Ideally, extra virgin olive oil is gonna be your best option here. And that is all there is to it. Let's give it a blitz and let's see what we can achieve with this. Look at that green color. So fresh. Even though those ingredients needed using up, this is beautiful. This can be used for pastas, for pizzas, you name it, toasties. Just love pesto. The one thing that I forgot to add was a little bit of salt. So let's just add a small amount of salt now. Give it one last blitz. Lid back on, it looks really good. Do you know what? This little bit on the outside, let's just give it a taste. Oh, that is dreamy. You know, like in the supermarkets where you get that really expensive pesto that's in the fresh section, tastes like that but better. I've got an old jar here which is clean and I am gonna do my best to get my pesto into there and then I can seal it up in the fridge and then that's gonna last, I don't know how long it will last. It's gonna last a good few days as a minimum, probably longer, probably a week in the fridge, I would guess. Let's have a little taste. Oh, look at that. Look how green it is. I mean, you don't get that shop bought. Absolutely loving this.